Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, yes guys, I started my 100 million US dollar trade. I opened it and I will talk about in this video not only where I opened it, what I personally expect for Bitcoin to happen right now in the immediate short term. I have been announcing that for weeks and weeks and weeks, and yes, I woke up today and I saw the day has come. Let's talk about exactly what my strategy is after having opened a legendary trade. This is how people call it, not how I call it. In 2019, riding it all the way up. In 2022, at 17,000, riding it all the way up. In fact, taking around 20 million US dollars in profits. And right now I am opening my next, hopefully legendary trade again, to ride it all the way up. And I scaled it from 10 million in 2019, 35 in 2022, and now I am planning that 100 million US dollar trade. I will show you that trade here towards the end of the video. I will talk about my predictions here in that specific video. I just want you to like and share this video with your friends. Let's get straight into it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you click today's video, you are in for a treat. And before I go into the charts and I tell you exactly what I am expecting right now, I want to show you how we've been talking on this channel about this exact scenario. If you are subscribed to the MMCRYPTO channel, you should not be surprised about it. I want to show you one of all of these videos which I showed you. They are still online, of course, on this channel. People have been laughing about us, but in the end, the time always tells. So let me quickly remind you on this little clip here, before we are going into the charts and seeing how exactly our prediction unfolded here, let me show you right now. Look at this. So now let's talk about Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes below the measured move price target of 82,000, of course the previous low is the determinant for that, because in a downtrend you have lower lows and lower highs. The moment we break below 82,000, I personally think that this orange support area will come into place. So now let's talk about Bitcoin. If Bitcoin... So what you can see, I am talking about how Bitcoin's orange support area comes into place the moment we break below 82, the previous low. You can see it right here. The moment we broke below 82, the previous low, this exact support area came exactly into place. Ladies and gentlemen, while people called me crazy for weeks, I knew you just have to wait. And the facts will silence, of course, the last doubters. And right now, we are exactly going into the support area. And the most important question everyone is asking right now, of course, is this already it? Or is there another price level actually to look out for? And before I am going into my trading panel and showing you exactly my trade, which I opened, and also my game plan, I want to quickly evaluate with you in the charts what I am personally seeing. If no one listened to me months ago, this video which I showed you didn't get so many views also, right? Just as many of those bearish videos where it's just not that popular when Bitcoin is still hanging around 115,000 US dollars. So now, what can we look out for? Well, this support area was a pretty likely one, right? Let's just say it as that, like that. There is, however, one more thing I want to put your attention to, and that is the 300 period moving average. That is just simply one which we cannot forget about. Even though I want this dump to end here, I just want to tell you this is still in the room of possibilities here. It is right now starting to get horizontal, which is usually also the case when Bitcoin hits it. So maybe that can bounce before, but one price level which we have to keep in mind is still the 56,000 US dollar price level. Going back, you can see that the last bear market was the first one where we actually broke it to the downside, but every single cycle, this is significant support. 2020, 2018, literally up to the dollar every single time, the perfect support here we can see for Bitcoin. So I would at least see this as quite likely that we are hitting 56,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. Going into my trade actually, and I want to remind you guys, I am posting this here, of course, for everyone on YouTube, but I'm doing these videos weekly, sometimes daily. If you want to see my legendary trade, which I post in an absolute real time, you have to follow me over on Levex. The link is down below before I show you my trade, actually, ladies and gentlemen. It is free for everyone, but not forever. I mean, it's always going to be free. The link is down below. You click, you sign up, and you can see my $100 million trade. I, in fact, asked the people on my creator profile, which has 31,500 people already. It's going crazy right now. But you can just click in the pinned comment and sign up completely for free. I asked them if I should cap it at 50 or 100,000 people. Probably I'm going to cap it at 50,000. And everyone said, yes, cap it. Because there's a systemic issue. If too many people are going there and signing up through my link in the pinned comment for free, you don't have to deposit, no fee, no nothing, easy, right? Just sign up on that platform. I don't want to have the whole world watching it, right? So sign up and see it, and it can become a systemic issue. If I have like hundreds of thousands of people actually following me on one trade, then it can systemically just not work. Not everyone can make money. But I did post it over there, as you can see it also here. I posted my trade, which I want to show you right now. Here on Bybit, I actually accumulated around 17 million US dollars for my margin actually to open that trade. And as you can see, yes, this trade is open right now. Here you can, I don't even understand, why is my profit and loss positive today? Like, this is strange. Anyways, here you can see my trade opened actually already. Whatever, $8,000 or something. I started it small, and I already explained, and I will explain it on the Levex community a little bit more in detail, exactly how I am planning to do that. Yes, I opened this trade now somewhere around 64,000, 65,000 US dollars. If we go down 10%, I get liquidated at 59. I will open a new trade at 59. If I get liquidated, I open another one at 54. So I am factoring in roundabout 5 liquidations, which could bring us all the way down to 37,000 US dollars, which I don't think it is going to happen, but this is just what I am factoring in. So if you are doing that strategy, which I'm doing every single cycle to force me catch the bottom, you need to factor in to lose some money on the way, right? I mean, if a liquidation comes, don't be surprised. I just want to enter already, even though I think there is more downside. So now let me know what you think about that. Ladies and gentlemen, share this video with your friends. Of course, join the Levex community in the pinned comment. It is for free. Yes, it's a trading platform. If you want to trade, they're beautiful. If you want to deposit and catch some of the bonuses, I think our community, if you sign up, you can see it. We have the highest bonuses on the platform. I think like up to 2,000 US dollar deposit bonus, but you don't have to do it. To simply follow me, you click the link, you register. You need to be registered with my link, and you type in MMCRYPTO in the search field, and then you follow me for free, right? Don't need to trade, don't need to deposit. Just follow me, right? But if you want to claim the bonus, it's over there as well. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be there soon with another video. I was rambling here a lot, so it's probably not gonna rank very high, but those people who are real, those people who are subscribed and pressing the bell on this channel, they get the video. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. We will see each other very soon on the next one. I'm Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye, but not that bye bye. Maybe it's bye 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 bye.